happens is motivation.
Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be putting the non-rinse evaporator cleaner to the test. Now first you want to saturate the coil with all the evaporator cleaner. Kind of loosen up the crud. Now this is the non-rinse evaporator cleaner. What happens is it should loosen up all the dirt and debris that's on the evaporator coil. As the coil condensates, that condensation should remove all the dirt along with the cleaner, deposit in the drain pan and then drain outside. But for me, I find it easier that if I could get to it, I use a condenser brush to kind of loosen up all the dirt and stuff, which usually work pretty well. Now if you look carefully, you could see the debris, all the particles is draining down the fence, going towards the drain pan, so that's a good look. You also want to make sure you shake the can properly so that the foam could spray out better. And you just want to gently brush the coil so you don't damage the fence. So keep that in mind, that you can ruin the fence, or wear gloves so the coil doesn't hit your hand and cut it. So just be careful. this one is a little bit more challenging because it's a horizontal A-frame coil. Kind of hard getting my hands in there to kind of clean out the cruds. But not too worried about cleaning it out. I'll just spray the coil cleaner and let it do its job. Like always, thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe and comment in the comment section to let me know what you guys think about using this product, and if you guys have used it before. Thank you. Peace out.